Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to prepare wheatgrass juice. First, ensure your wheatgrass is ready for harvest, typically when it reaches 6 to 8 inches in height. Using clean, sharp scissors, carefully cut the blades just above the soil line, leaving the roots intact for a second or even third harvest. After cutting, rinse the wheatgrass thoroughly under cool, running water to remove any dirt or debris. This crucial step ensures your juice is clean and fresh. Now, let's talk about juicing. For the best results, a slow masticating juicer is highly recommended as it efficiently extracts the juice without generating excessive heat, preserving vital nutrients. Feed small handfuls of the rinsed wheatgrass into the juicer's chute, allowing the machine to work slowly. This method maximizes juice yield and nutrient retention. Watch as the vibrant green liquid flows into your waiting glass. Once you have your fresh wheatgrass juice, consider how you'll enjoy it. Many people find the taste quite strong, so diluting it with a small amount of water, apple juice, or orange juice can make it more palatable. If you're new to wheatgrass, begin with a small serving, perhaps 1 to 2 ounces per day, and gradually increase as your body adjusts. For optimal nutritional benefits, drink your juice immediately after preparation. If you have any leftover wheatgrass juice, it's best to store it properly to preserve its freshness. Pour the remaining juice into an airtight container and refrigerate it immediately. While it's always best to consume it fresh, properly stored juice can last for up to 24 hours. Remember, the sooner you drink it, the more potent its benefits will be. Also, for other great deals, and to make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers, check the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.